Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make these mini pancakes. Start off, we're going to make the pancake. So you want to take your brown yarn and we're going to make a magic circle. We are then going to do 6 single crochets into the magic circle. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're going to do 2 single crochets into each stitch that we just made, so you'll end up with 12. So we're going to do 1, 2 in that first stitch, and then you want to get your stitch marker and place it in the first stitch, and then we're going to repeat that all around. So 2 in the next stitch, and so on. Okay, now you've made your increase round, you should have 12 stitches in total. On the next round, we're going to do 1 single crochet and then an increase. So in the next stitch, we'll do 1 single crochet, place your stitch marker, and then in the next stitch, we're going to do 2 single crochets. So we've done 1, and then we've done 2, and then the next stitch, we'll do 1, and then we'll do 2 in the following stitch, and you're going to repeat that around. So for the next round, we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then an increase. So you want to put your first single crochet there, place your stitch marker, then we're going to do another single crochet, and then an increase. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then an increase. And repeat that around. Now you've done that round, we're going to do a round of single crochet, but we're going to do that using white yarn. So to colour change, we're going to remove the stitch marker, insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over and pull through. But we're not going to yarn over again in the brown, we're going to grab the white and then we're going to place that on the hook and then pull through. And then turn over, and just to secure it, I just tie the brown and white yarn together. That way you know that the yarn isn't going to come out. Place your stitch marker in that stitch. And then we're going to just single crochet into each stitch all around. Now you've added the white yarn, it should look something like this. We're going to change back to the brown. So take your stitch marker out, insert your hook and yarn over with the white. Then we're going to drop that behind, just hold it with your middle finger. Pick up the brown yarn, yarn over and then pull through. Now we can cut the white yarn off. So just cut that. And then again, I just like to tie the white and brown together. So now it looks something like this at the back. Place the stitch marker in the stitch we just made. Do 1 more stitch, 1 more single crochet, and then we're going to do a decrease. and then we're going to do 2 single crochets and then a decrease. So 1, 2, and then a decrease, and repeat that around. So it should start to look something like this. So you've got your brown, a round of white, and then we're going back to the brown. We're going to place our eyes in between rounds 3 and 4. Now we've placed the eyes, we're going to continue crocheting. So we're going to do 1 single crochet, place your stitch marker, then we're going to do a decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, final round, we're going to do 6 decreases. So decrease, place your stitch marker, and then continue to decrease all around. Then you just want to fasten off. And it should look something like this, so you've still got a small hole. To close the hole, we're just going to get our needle and then pick up the front loop of each stitch that we just made. I do have a more detailed video on how to do this. And then you just want to pull the yarn tight, and then it closes the hole, and then I just make a knot, and that is the top of your pancake stack. So you want to repeat that again so that you've got 2. This time on the second one you don't need to add eyes because it's going to go on the bottom. Okay, so to make the syrup, we're going to get our dark brown yarn. We're going to make a magic circle, and we're going to single crochet 5 into the magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to pull the circle tight, slip stitch in the next chain. We're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And we are going to slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch, and then slip stitch into the next chain, and then slip stitch into the base of that chain 3. So it should look something like this. We then want to slip stitch into the next stitch, and then repeat that again. So chain 3, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, slip stitch in the next chain, and then slip stitch into the base of that chain 3. And again, slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat. So when you've slip stitched into your final one, you want to yarn over and fasten off. So to make the butter, we are going to make a slip knot, insert your hook, and chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. We're then going to single crochet into the second chain from hook, and then single crochet into the next chain, so then you've got a little square, and we're going to just yarn over and fasten off. And that is your little bit of butter. Take a piece of the brown yarn with your needle. We're going to place the pancakes together, and you want to start from the bottom. Insert your needle up through both of them. Leave a tail at the bottom, and then just go a stitch along, and then come out the bottom, and then you can tie them together underneath, and you want to just continue going around. Once you've gone around, you can just tie the ends together again, and then cut the yarn. Grab the end of your butter, place it on top of the syrup, and then we're going to just sew them together. And then we want to attach the syrup to the top of the pancake, making sure to leave just a bit of room between the eyes, because that's where we're going to add the smile. And that is your finished pancakes.